Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Fidelity investment account. Fidelity provides a wide range of options to help you achieve your financial goals, whether you are saving for retirement, a child's education, or general investing. We will cover the different account types available, the necessary information you will need, and guide you through the simple application process. By the end, you will be ready to start your investment journey with confidence. To begin, gather a few essential pieces of information. You will need your Social Security number or taxpayer identification number, along with your date of birth and current address. If you plan to fund your account electronically, have your bank account and routing numbers readily available. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient application process, typically taking less than 15 minutes to complete online. The application process is straightforward and can be completed entirely online. First, navigate to Fidelity's website and click on the Open an Account button. You will then select the type of account you wish to open, such as a brokerage account or an IRA. Follow the prompts to enter your personal and financial information, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Double-check all details for accuracy before submitting your application. Once your application is approved, it is time to fund your account. You can easily transfer money electronically from your bank account, often within 1 to 3 business days. Alternatively, you may deposit funds via check or wire transfer. Fidelity offers a wealth of resources, including research tools and educational content, to help you make informed investment decisions. Start investing today and take control of your financial future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.